Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about multiplication of decimal. This math is intended to the grade 5 students. So I have here the letters and the corresponding factors. All I have to do is I need the product. Then I have also the corresponding products in here below the boxes. So I need to solve the factors, and then whatever the letter will come up, so I will write in here. If the product is 34.17 for letter A, so I need to write letter A. Okay? So for letter A, I have 34 times 2.8, and then letter B, 3.6 times 0.9, then letter R, 10.05 times 3.4, and then letter I is 0.25 times 5.1. Letter D, 12.7 times 2.1. Then letter M is 4.312 times 3.12. Then letter S, 73 times 0.001. And the last letter is letter U, 0.08 times 12.6. So let's try for letter A. Letter A is 34 times 2.8. This will be 32, carry 3. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Then this will be 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6. So bring down 2, this is 15. Carry 1, and then I have 952. Since I have 2 decimal places, no, 1, only 1, sorry, only 1. So I need to count from right. So this will be 95.2. So let us examine first the products. Do we have 95.2? Yes. Do we have? I have the second box. So this will be letter A. Okay? So next, let's find out letter B, if there's letter B in the boxes. So this is 3.6 times 0.9. So this will be 6 times 9 is 54. Carry 5. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 plus 5 is 30. 32. Let's say 27 plus 5. This will be 32. 32, right? Okay, 32. So, how many points do we have for 3.6? Only 1. This is 1. So, this will be 2. Starting from right, 2 decimal places. Going to the left. So, this will be 3.24. Do we have 3.24? We don't have product which is 3.24. So, let's move to letter R. Letter R is 10.05 times 3.4. Okay? This will be 20, carry 2, 0 times 4 is 0, then this will be 2. This will be 0, then 4. 5 times 5, 3 times 5 is 15, carry 1. 3 times 0 is 0, then plus 1, then 0. This is 3. Bring down 0, this is 7, this is 1, 4, 3. So how many do I have decimal places for 10.05? I have 2. How about 3.4? Only 1. So therefore, I have 3 decimal places for the product. So I need to count from right. 1, 2, 3. So I have 34.170 or 34.17 is the same. So this is letter R. By the way, the question for this is a kind of story. This was discovered by husband and wife scientist team of Perry and Marie Curie. It is used to treat certain cancers. And then the question is, what is this? To find the answer, solve for the products. This one, products in the chart. Then write the corresponding letter on the boxes below. So this will be R. Then what's the next? Let's try letter I. Letter I factors are 0.5 and then 5.1. So this will be 5.1. So this is 5, this is 2, 0. And then this is 25, carry 2, 10, 12, carry 1. 0 times 5 is 0, bring down 1. So this is 5, 7, 2, and then 1. How many decimal places for 0.5? 2 decimal places. And then how about in here? This is 1. So I've got 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. So I've got the product which is 1.275. So this is the fourth box. This is letter I. Letter I. Then next is letter D. Let's try if there is letter B in the boxes. So letter D factors are 12.7 times 2.1. So this is 7, 2, 1. Then this will be 14. Carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. Then sum up. Bring down 7. This is 6. This is 6. And then bring down 2. So how many decimal places of 12.7? Only 1. 2.1 is 1. So I've got 2 decimal places. So from the product, this will be count from the right. 2 decimal places. 1, 2. This will be 26.67. So this is in the third box, which is letter D. Okay? So we have only 2 boxes left. So let's try letter M. Letter M factors are 4.312, and then I've got 3, 1, 2 also. This is multiplication. So this is 4. This is 2, 6, 8. And then 2, 1, 3, then 4. 6, then 3, 9. Then this is 12. Bring down 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. This is 13. Carry 1. This is 6 plus 8 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. Carry 1. This is 14. Carry 1. 3. Bring down 1. So how many do I have decimal places for 4.312? I have 3 decimal places. How about 3.12? I have 2 decimal places. So all in all, I've got 5 decimal places for my product. So count from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 13.45344. So the last box is letter M. Okay, letter M. Then next is, it is obvious to write in here vowel. So there are only 2 letters left, letter S and letter U. So we don't use letter S because that's impossible. Cannot be read this one if letter S. So let's try letter U. So factors are, okay, 0.8. 0.08 times 12.6. It's better to use 12.6 times 0.08. Okay? So 6 times 8 is 48. Carry 4. 2 times 8 is 16. Plus 4 is 20. Carry 2. 1 times 8 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. Then this will be 0. 0. This will be 0. So bring down 8. 0, 0, 1. So how many places in 12.6? Only 1. In here is 2. Sum up, this will be 3. So for my product, I need to move from right to left 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So this will be 1.08. So I've got the fifth boxes or fifth box. So this will be letter U. So the answer for the question of the scientist is radium. That's all.